Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you guys on how to create your own UDP custom configuration file for HTTP Custom VPN. I'm going to be making this video because yesterday I found someone on TikTok telling viewers that you can't create your own. I must be the one creating for you. Those things are no longer present in this era. So this technology, you're going to be providing it for everyone to access it. So we're going to be doing this. It is never hard, it is never complicated, it is as easy as I'm going to be doing it. Don't forget to subscribe. Head over to Google Play Store and download the application. And if you reach Google Play Store, you go and search for HTTP Custom VPN. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video to a friend. I'm going to be breaking this. I'm going to break it in the simplest way so that you guys will learn how to create the things, and after you go and eat the money. Download that application, then open it. But before continuing, this tutorial is for informational and educational purposes only, so users must comply with the local laws, follow internet service providers' terms and conditions, and then also you guys, if you get any problem, go to the comment section. So the HTTP Custom VPN application will be looking like that if you open it, and if you're from Google Play Store, from downloading it. So we're going to set it up, but in today's tutorial I'm going to be specific on UDP Custom configuration file. So you need an account if you want UDP custom configuration file. You need an account. This is how you're going to be creating an account. Head over to Google Chrome or any type of browser, but I recommend Google Chrome. Go where you search from, then put in fast SSH UDP custom. The reason why I'm using fast SSH is because other types of other websites or the SS providers provides those. They do provide the UDP custom accounts, but their accounts, their servers are never updated. They have slow speeds. Users are complaining. So, but for fast SSH, their things are fast, stable, and secure. Let us continue. Alright, if I open that first link, I'll be redirected to a fast SS page, which will be looking like this. So they are providing me with a short AD, so that if I view the short AD, I can be able to access their website. I recommend you guys to view the advert, but I'm going to pause the video for a moment if the advert is wrong. Check the time.
Hello traders, and thanks for tuning in for the Trade of the Week by Access. My name is Dennis.
Alright, if we check, the advert is over, so we are going to close the page. I told you guys that I'm the only person who is going to tell you that you can create your own UDP configuration file without asking you for money. Just I'm going to edit this tutorial and then post it to my YouTube channel, so that you guys can enjoy a fast, a secure and stable connection on HTTP Custom VPN. So you're going to come subscribe to this YouTube channel and then open, then like the video. You see, you can't create a file right here because, but you can create because it is the French has not been touched yet. But dear viewers, I recommend you guys not to choose such kinds of servers because sometimes they don't create those accounts. I recommend you guys to choose a server that has already used some of its accounts, like this one. So I'm going to choose this one, but before choosing it, ensure that that server it is near to your country's location for a better performance. Let us create a UDP custom account using the US Virginia UDP custom. So I'm going to scroll down, try to zoom in, and then so that my viewers can be able to see each and every place I place, or each and every touch I touch. So let us go where you have Monty Robot, and then we complete the recap picture. Then wait for a few moments so that the recaptcha can be completed. Then put in your username. As on our YouTube channel we use Maristech, and then the password. Sometimes we use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. You go and then try to zoom out. Scroll down, look for where you have this button of creating an account. Zoom in, then place that button. Wait for a few moments. Try to zoom out, and then wait for this kind of page. And wait for a few moments for the UDP custom account to be created. Then wait for those few moments. But as we are waiting, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this with your friend. Now we have such kind of page. That is our. But all in all, we're going to copy. The account will expire on 11th March 2026. It is one account, one device, otherwise your connection speed will be limited. So I recommend my viewers to use this account in one device, because if you use it in several devices, it will work, but the connection speed will be limited. Let us copy the username, and then I'll copy the IP address or the server IP, and then I'll keep them in my clipboard. Let me check whether I have them. I have them in my clipboard. As you see, the password I have a stronger head that can cram it of about 1 ZB. There is GB, TB, and mine is ZB. Let's continue to HTTP Custom application, and then you're going to be pasting up the things. This is how you're going to paste. We're going to go to our clipboard. If you're using Google board or Gboard, and this is the IP address, then the port. You are free to put in any port that is working in your country, but many countries are using 443 as a port. And then the username, put a separator, then post the username, which is this one, then put a colon, then put in the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the one I can cram. The reason why we enable the DNS, this one, the reason why you enable it is only to prevent the internet service provider from watching what we are surfing, because those guys tend to throw it in our web history, and then they start seeing what we are searching about. They start seeing that this one visited WhatsApp, visited Facebook at this time, and he visited Pornhub. Then they start spying on you. That's why we enable DNS to prevent those internet service providers that provide us with internet from viewing our web history. So you're going to enable also the UDP custom. The reason why you enable the UDP custom is only because UDP custom can also prevent some part. It does not fully prevent, but it prevents some of those internet service providers from accessing our web history, and also provide us with a fast, secure, and unlimited internet. Note that this service does not break any law just for education, research, and information purposes. So connect, and then if you connect, you see that our application has been connected successfully. Then our next step, we're going to learn how to create a file in today's tutorial. So you'll be creating files and then selling them. You can even give them for free. You can give them for free. But look at this, it has connected successfully. That means it is working. And now the next step is we are going to be creating a file. Go here, you have a plus button right here, and then go here, you have save configuration, and then by this you will be able to follow up all the prompts. So that is for today. It was about UDP custom, and that was our tutorial about UDP custom. Subscribe, share the video, save for watch later, and then wait for the WebSocket or the VPN in the next parts. I sign out.